Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX training program by Chroma Campus, and these are the stats like 4.9 rating out of 5 in and on 4.2 is on Google, and 400 plus corporate tie-ups is there, online and offline both. Placement is there, like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Figma, UI UX principle, process of UI UX, color theory, UI illustration, typography. Like no AI tools are there in this, and these are the placement, course duration, and the fee. Course fees is 31,500, and it's a justified fees, not too much, not very less. And portfolio helpment is there, certification is there, interview section is also there, and these are the testimonials. Thing else, like they have not mentioned any proper knowledge about the tools, like what they are going to teach you, and many of the AI tools are missing, like FitJam and Invasion, Framer, ChatGPT, Miro, etc. And responsive design is also there. And they also didn't mention any proper detailing about the UI fundamental and user research and overall the design quality fundamentals. So it's a beginner level course, like not advanced version or not a future oriented course. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum will be 0.5, and user research in fundamental is also 0.5 for me, and UI design quality is again 0.5 for me. Hands-on project is not up to date, so it's again 0.5 for me. Tools and software training is again 0.5 for me because the AI tools or XD or Sketch, which are the main UI UX tools. Mentorship and feedback is again 0. Portfolio development, it's 0.5 for me. Placement and career support is there, so it's 0.5 for me. Course values fees is 0.5 because fees is justified according to the beginner level. And industry relevance update is 0.5 for me because it's not a future oriented course and it's a beginner level course. So if we count a total, it's a 5 5 out of 10 course, and it's a average course. Like if you want to pursue on a beginner level, you can go with this, but again there are many better courses in the market which covers all the UI UX parameters and all covers all the design fundamentals. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters related to UI UX and also help in mentorship and feedback and portfolio development, and also guide you about the placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.